house. It's your girl, and I'm back again to your YouTube channel. Please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share to your family, and please like, engage. Just you can't just sit down there and not doing anything now. We are community, so please engage. I would love you guys to engage with me, like, write, comment, tell me what you want, tell me what you don't want, like, criticize, tell me, advise me, do a lot of things. I really love it if you do such. Thank you very much. So today I'm going to make pasta sfoglia. Come with me, guys. This, before I did it with spinach, so today I'm going to make pasta sfoglia with pomodoro, with tomatoes, guys. So now, as you can see, I'm going to take it off, but I think I will need this, so let me just put it like this because I will really need this. So you can see how it is. So this is how it is. Okay, guys, now we are going to move pomodoro. For those of you in Italian, this is a good pastry for Italian. Italians love this pastry so much. It's a traditional pastry which they love so much. But me, guys, I'm going to put mozzarella. Love this. So now we are going to wrap, guys. Who's where the beauty is. I'm just going to be wrapping it like this, as you can see. So guys, bear with me. This is my daughter. So now for you to seal it, guys, will need egg. You can see this is the egg, guys. Bear with me, guys, because my kitchen is somehow tiny. So now you just use your egg to brush it over. Use your egg to brush it over. You see, those give you the locking, like give you that texture, that brown texture. You just love it. So I've already on my oven, like I place it in 150 for like 30 minutes. So now I'm going to put this inside the oven. So guys, as you can see, I'm trying to trim off the extra pasta, the extra paper. I'm trying to trim off the extra paper and the extra oven. Look at this. Okay, this is how it came out to be.